Good afternoon. So today I want to invite you to come for a walk with me through the bluebells. I'm at the part of the woods that we call the Wildwood. It's always been left to be a little bit wilder. It's at one end, it's joined between two farms. You can hear some of the farm machinery in the background. I'm also currently under the rookery. Some of the nests may have shown up, so I'm just going to twist the camera around for you to enjoy. Good. Here we go. Now this is the open part. Look at this. In the winter, this is a footpath. Obviously at this time of year it's looking less like a footpath, more like a carpet of bluebells. And there's other wildflowers in here as well. Just stunning. And again, we have one of these beautiful white ones. Now these are English native bluebells. The white one's apparently incredibly rare. Less than 1 in 10,000. I showed you one the other day. Look how stunning this is. I wish I could share the smell of the bluebells as well. Trying very carefully not to walk on any. Now, if you want to come here and take photographs, we do hire it out. Please drop me a message. Otherwise, feel free to comment. Let me know if you've got bluebells around where you are. And there in the background is the Wildwood. I'm not going to go in there today. Too wild. Why would I want to? Look at this.